Hello friends, in this video I just download and install the Codeblocks in Windows 10. Open your favorite browser. I just opened the Google Chrome. Just type here Codeblocks download. And just see here there is a website. See, just click on this download Codeblocks free Windows. When you click on this link will be opened here, download. So I have already downloaded it. I don't need to download it once again. So when you click on this, it will be download. So I have already here on my screen. I just double click on this, click on this button, next, click on button, I agree, and on next button again, next. It may take sometimes. So it has been installed. There is an option. Do you want to run Codeblocks right now? Yes. I want to click on yes. I click on yes, and after that click on next, finish. So the Codeblocks will be opened. I just open Codeblocks. When you open the Codeblocks, there will be many options here. Just click create a new project. So here again many options will be shown to you. Just click on console application. When you click, there will be an option go. Click this and click on next, and after that there will be two options, C++ and C. Just select the C and again next, and there will be project title. So just give a title, program. Just have written program, and just from here just select the folder or the location where you place your project. I want to place it on desktop and make a new folder. After that I click on OK, next, finish. So I've finished it. Just click here, new file, and I click on new file, empty file. Click this, yep, and here a window will be shown to you. Do you want to add this new file in the active project, which has to be saved first? I want to click on yes, then this option will be there. I want double click on main.c, as you see here, this option. I want double click on this, and here will be an option, confirm save as. Main.c already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes. I want to click on yes option. Just click on OK option here. So Codeblocks IDE is ready. Now we want to write some codes here. Hash include standard input output dot h integer main let's print here. Let's say hello to the world. Hello world. After that, semicolon. Let's save it. Just run this. Here will be some options in Codeblocks. This option is run. This option is built-in run. You just click on this option, built-in run option. We'll see what happens here. This is a function. Again, I want to run this program and just see. Hello world. Console has shown to us hello world.